Welcome to Group CRC Excel. This module is about goal seek. Let's go to the tab Exercises. We're going to start with a simple model. The quantity sold times the unit price will give us the total income. Then we have the unit cost times the quantity sold. It will give us the total variable cost. We also have the fixed cost as an amount. The sum of the two is the total cost. And finally, the difference between the income, total income, and the total cost is the net margin. And as a percentage of sales, total income. In this case is 10%. So we start with the same model and the same information 4 times. We're going to build 4 scenarios. Now we want to change the quantity sold. The question is how much we need to sell in order to get $750 as a net margin. Now we have 500. So we can start playing with the quantity sold. For example, let's say 800 units, and the net margin is $100 instead of $750. So what do? We need to increase, right? 1,800, for example. Now it's too high. The net margin is $2,100. So we need to reduce. Okay, now it's double. So maybe it's half. No, not even. So as you can see, we can play around with the model and we will have many attempts, trial and error, until we get the final result. But there is a tool you can use to just get into the result, and that tool is called Goal Seek. The Goal Seek helps you get the result you want. For example, the goal is the net margin of $750. So you put your cursor in the net margin and then you go to the menu, data, what if analysis, and select Goal Seek. The cell C12 where we are, we need the cell to have a value of $750. Changing which cell? Changing the quantity. We press enter, we say OK, and Excel will calculate right away that we need 1,125 units to have a net margin of $750. So as you can see, it's a tool, very powerful, and it will save you a lot of time. This model is simple, but what happens if you have a very complicated model? It will help a lot. Let's go now to the scenario 2. In this case, we need that the percentage of the net margin be 15%, now it's 10, changing the unit price. Same thing, we can start playing with the price, let's say at 6, and it will give us 25%, or we have to reduce, let's say 4, now it's negative, we don't know. So we use the powerful tool Goal Seek. So we place the cursor in the net margin, same thing, data, what if analysis, Goal Seek. And one thing that is important when you use percentages, you have to put the number here without the format, the percentage format. So if you want 15%, that means 0.15, that's 15%. Changing the unit price. Enter, OK, and voila, there you go. You have this price that will give us 15% net margin. Now the next scenario, we need 15% net margin but changing the unit cost. So we go there, Goal Seek, we need 0.15 because it's 15%, changing in this case the unit cost. Enter, OK, and we have the answer. Again, 15%, but this time changing the fixed cost. So we do goal seek 0.15, changing the fixed cost. You say enter, and there you go. So as you can see, this tool is very powerful and can save you a lot of time. If you need more practice or you want to buy this module, you can go to our website www.groupcrc.com. Thank you for watching.